Microinsurance in Kenya has been a very little explored segment of the industry as a whole, especially in the country's chaotic public transport sector. Since 2011, the number of reported accidents has fallen by just over a third to about 5,300 in 2015. Now, while the number of people killed and injured has dropped by about 8,000 or so, that's roughly 36% between 2011 and 2015, insurance penetration has still remained stubbornly low. Now, if you put all these numbers together, you have what for some may be a very risky picture. But for the CEO of Resolution Insurance, they represent a significant opportunity. Here's why.
The Kenyan Constitution Section 43 guarantees nobody should be denied emergency medical services, but it happens. So we saw an opportunity, fulfill what the Constitution demands, then remove the fraud element and look for a way that you can reach a particular consumer. So technology was important, and then ensuring that you're partnering with the pipeline. So our first partner was the Matatu Owners Association, who is a private sector-led organization that owns public transport. We had to build incentives along the way to ensure that everyone on the pipeline, from the Matatu owner, they have an organization called a SACCO, to the route owner, and to the worker in the vehicle.
So this is the guy this is the crew now, the driver and the conductor.
Yes, to make sure that their incentives align to them. The other thing is get the dealers. This product is sold by anybody. You can open a retail shop at a bus terminal and you can sell.
So this, I mean, going back to that simplicity argument you made, so if essentially, like, if I have a little M-Pesa shop selling airtime and giving mobile money services, I'm effectively an agent, I can also sell this product.
In fact, that's our target market for distribution. So we first started with the owners of the route. So you'll find small in the bus terminal, a dealer. Remember, what we've designed this product as a band which you wear on your hand, but you're not insured until you activate that band. So you take the band, you go to SSD star 830 hash, and it gives you three very simple steps. Since your SIM card is already registered, we have access to your ID number and your name. Then you need to register your next of kin because we need to inform them in case of a fatality. And then you activate. It debits your mobile wallet, and it doesn't matter which mobile wallet you have.
So it could be Airtel Money, Orange,
Safaricom, Orange, whatever. It debits 70 shillings. Once that happens, it sends you a message. It's activated, our backend are recognized. Not only has it recognized that you are the passenger on this vehicle, it will know which route you are in and the estimated time that trip will take to terminate.
So that data on the route that you're in, estimated time of arrival, all of that is provided to you by the Matatu owners.
Right. Yes, because they're very organized in that particular way. Every route is owned by a SACCO, and this organization has data. So we already know. Now, and that helps them to get data on fraud.
Because then, I mean, it seems like there's a range of win-wins here. Because at least from your planning perspective, because I mean, you're coming from the background of being a medical insurer.
Yes.
So if I know that X number of people are going on this particular route over this period of time, eventually you'll gather enough data that actually tells you these are the high-risk areas.
Correct.
Therefore, this is where this is where my claims are likely to come from.
March this year, I was amazed at the kind of data that we received when we piloted. We piloted on two routes, Nairobi, Nakuru, Nairobi, Nyahururu. And the kind of data that was coming, you can design very many products on that particular data. The other thing is, if you think about public transport and the public transport area, and when accidents happen in ambulance, chasers gets involved on the third-party insurance. The Matatu owner never knows how many people did I have in that Matatu. So you can find a 14-seater vehicle.
Probably had 28.
Yes.
Or 30 guys.
Or 30. You've been told you have to pay injury, third-party insurance for 30 people. Now it can't happen. Because if they have registered on our platform, we'll even be able to tell the Matatu owner, the people in your vehicle is this person, is their ID number. So that's data that they are really happy to have.